Okay, so a little update on the on the vent in the Alfa. I did find this blocking that drain, which seems odd to me. You'd think the drain ought to be draining, but anyhow. Don't know, does that go there in that cavity? But also just an update, I did get some help from the forum, and I've got an update on how this goes together. This entire piece comes out of the actual back of the car, and a previous owner put a bunch of this. I don't have a nice way of calling this stuff. The only way I know is monkey. But this is how this whole thing goes together, and you can watch. You can see this is the little finger popping down there to work on these detents. And as you open it, you can hear it clicking along. And it's got a nice little, nice motion there to do it. And then now it's open. And then this is how the whole thing goes together. I've got the screw, the tooth washer, the flat washer. Then the grate comes off. Then we've got the spring, which tensions the grate to keep it from just rattling around. We have the center top hat with the smaller diameter piece and the shorter piece down, which goes through this rotating part and into the into one beneath it. Then, and I'm going to lose the spring here. Excuse me. I'm going to pull it up the other way around if I can. There, that comes off. And then you can see the little finger here with a spring underneath it. And we're going to not lose that. And then here's the actual mechanism, which has these metal fingers, which are on the parts diagram, holding it in place. So as you rotate it counterclockwise, it opens up and lets air in. As you rotate it clockwise, it comes up and matches up with this seal on the back of that rotating piece and prevents air from coming through. So that's the whole piece. That's how it goes together. If anyone has another one of these sitting in a parts stash somewhere or knows where I might find some, let me know because I need one.